Do you know? Felica technology is being used in all kinds of different places. Felica. It has been put to use all around us, even before most of us realized what it was. Now let's take a look at some examples of how Felica is being used. Felica is used in various transportation systems throughout Japan. Suica, operated by the East Japan Railway, and Pasmo, used in private railways, subways and buses in the Tokyo metropolitan area, both make seamless transportation possible by using interoperable services. These cards can also be used as e-money in affiliated stores, gaining loyalty points in the process. In addition, an increasing number of users are adopting the mobile Suica Express ticket of the East Japan Railway Company, which enables passengers to have ticketless boarding on the bullet trains, as well as use of the Express IC service offered by Central Japan Railways. A security service from both Tokyu and Odakyu train lines provides safety for school children. When a child goes through the ticket gate using this pass, a message will automatically be sent to the mobile phone of the specified guardian. This service has a good reputation with the public. From Kitaka in Hokkaido to Sugoka in Kyushu, the use of Felica continues to expand throughout the Japanese transportation system. Felica is also used for e-money in various places. The major convenience store chains and supermarkets have already started to accept Felica e-money services such as Edi or Suica, as well as Felica contactless credit cards. Nanako is the e-money service that can be used at 7-Eleven, Ito-Yokado, and Denny's. Aeon Group's e-money Waon awards points to the user every time a purchase is made. Waon can be used at Jasco stores and specialty stores in shopping centers throughout Japan. More and more vending machines are being equipped with a multi-service reader to promote various e-money services. The Bank of Tokyo Mitsubishi UFJ's Super IC card has multifunctionality, including biometric identification and credit card payment, as well as Edi or Suica e-money applications. The Japan Post Bank IC Cash Card has a dual interface that combines a contact IC card and a Felica contactless IC card function, both on the same chip. The card can be used at most post offices and banking ATMs throughout Japan. Airlines now have reputable services for easier domestic air travel. Passengers can board simply by touching the reader with either their Osaifu Keitai, a mobile phone with an e-wallet function, or their Felica-based ANA mileage card, both part of the All Nippon Airways SKIP service. Japan Airlines also operates such a service called the JAL Touch and Go service, for which the Osaifu Keitai or the JAL IC card can be used. Rewarded mileage can be converted to e-money or coupons. At Tipness, a large fitness club chain, the wristband with a built-in Felica chip is used. It supports their e-locker key and Edi e-money and enables an in-house cashless payment system. Also, it can be used at all Edi member stores throughout Japan. More and more companies are adopting Felica Pocket because by doing so, they're able to provide customers with applications such as loyalty rewards, coupons, and membership IDs in an effective and cost-efficient manner. The Osaka Pitapa IC card which combines functions such as transport tickets and credit cards, and benefits such as cardholder discounts, also incorporates the Felica Pocket function. With that function, it can integrate store loyalty cards, coupons, membership ID cards, and stamped rally cards within one card. Now that the card can also function as an entrance key for the home or office, you only ever have to carry one card with you. Felica is not only used in Japan, but also in various other locations around the world. As with Hong Kong's ubiquitous Octopus card, a convenient infrastructure-like system can be established for both citizens and tourists. A similar situation can also be found in Shenzhen, China. Moreover, in Bangkok, Thailand, Delhi, India, and Kaohsiung, Taiwan, Felica has been introduced for use as a subway transit ticket and is currently being used by many people. In Hawaii, Felica has been adopted for use as a ticket for Waikiki trolley lines, which plays a very important role in sightseeing in Honolulu. It is used for tours of popular attractions and in shopping areas. Felica has also been adopted for use in Bologna, Italy by the Virtus Bologna Pro Basketball Club, who use it for their season tickets. At the Sony Wonder Technology Lab in New York, all interactive exhibits are activated using Felica cards provided at the entrance to the museum. Felica technology is also used to personalize the exhibit experiences. It is expected that Felica will be used by additional public and educational facilities, including museums, in the future. At 20 universities and colleges in Finland, students are using Felica-enabled identification cards to access rooms and as e-money at campus cafeterias. In the US, Felica is teaming up with Blackboard Incorporated, one of the major system integrators. Soon, Felica will appear in institutions of higher learning throughout the US in order to bring added comfort and convenience to campus life. All Sony Vaio laptop computers in Japan are now equipped with the Felica Reader Writer, Felica Port. With the Felica Port, Suica usage history can be checked, and EDI can be used to make internet shopping payments. Felica Port enables the user's PC login and password management simply by tapping the Felica card. The Felica Port has now also been adopted by various other PC manufacturers. The remote control for Sony's LCD TV Bravia also comes equipped with the Felica Port. Now, in addition to being able to check their EDI usage history and charges, users can make payments for video-on-demand content fees with EDI or Elio e-money. On top of this, users can easily obtain information about the TV program by just touching their Osaifu Keitai on the reader. When connecting a Pasodi reader writer via a USB port to a PlayStation 3, game fans are able to charge money using EDI into a cyber wallet within the PlayStation network. Now, Pasodi with NFC functionality is also available. Using the new Pasodi, citizens can also complete their e-tax as an approved online public certification service in addition to having the existing Felica-compatible services. Felica technology is expected to be implemented in additional consumer electronics products in the future.